Hello, welcome to my channel where I talk mostly about watercolour. Today I'm going to be talking about these 4 sketches I did in my sketchbook, and I was being really experimental with these. I really wanted to do some painting, but I really wanted to loosen up as well because I didn't really know what to paint. I had almost too many ideas, so I just picked a colour, and that was Paynes Grey and burnt sienna as well, and I decided to do some quite sort of monochromatic paintings based on landscapes, and I decided to start off my sketches with 1 or 2 sort of bold moves in the middle of the page for each one, and then to just go with what was on the page and to sort of make it up as I went along. So as I use different colours, I will put a note on the screen, but I did keep the colours very simple. I use a few different techniques, and at one point I even grabbed a piece of cardboard to push the paint around, which is a real spare of the moment decision. But I'm just going to put the music up, and I'll put some text prompts on the screen as to what I'm doing at particular stages. But if you have any questions at all, then just put them in the comments and I will get back to you. I really hope you enjoy the demonstration. I'm going to put the music up now and I'll jump in again at the end. Okay, so I was really happy with how these 4 sketches turned out. I felt like all 4 of them were quite different, which is what I was aiming for, except that the colours sort of are unified across all 4. So now I have 4 sketches in my sketchbook to refer to get ideas from. So it's been a useful exercise, and it's been kind of freeing as well. I think if you have a bit of artist block, or you just don't quite know what to do, then doing a series of sort of 2 to 4 sketches in your sketchbook is a really good way to just loosen up, and you can set some parameters for yourself at the beginning, like I did with the colour, and just go for it really. So I really hope you've enjoyed this demonstration, and if you did, please hit like, and if you'd like to see similar videos in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, bye.